ArtCenter Extension Teens offers programs in art and design for students grades 9 to 12 or ages 14 to 18. Online registration is the fastest way to secure a seat in a specific course. Let's go through the process together in this video tutorial. First, start by typing www.artcenter.edu/teens into your browser. Next, navigate to the Courses tab at the top left of the screen. This page is where you can find all the information for upcoming and current classes as well as look through featured courses. If you scroll down, you'll see our up-to-date COVID-19 policy and then a green box that says Online Registration. Below here is where you can find all the current class listings at ACX Teens. You can filter by area of study or type in a specific name of a course you'd like to read more about. Once you're ready, the next step is to register through the green Online Registration box. For returning students, you'll be prompted to log in before selecting your course. For new students, you will go straight to the course selection page. Here you have the option of searching by start or end date, or searching through an ACT course code. ACT course codes are the 3 or 4 number or letter combinations following the ACT prefix, representing an individual course or workshop for ArtCenter Extension Teens classes. After clicking search, you will be redirected to the courses available with the filters you selected. Here you can add courses to your cart by clicking the Select button on the right of the course you want to enroll in. A pop-up will appear verifying the details of the course you selected. Click Add section and you will get a check mark verifying it was added to your cart. You can add multiple classes to your cart. Once you're done, you can hit the Next button on the top right. Now you'll be able to set up your account with ACX Teens. You'll start by putting in a few personal details about the student who will be participating in the class. This includes their name and their birth date, as well as a phone number, email, and address that would be the best way to contact. Once you reach the bottom, click the box certifying the information is correct and click Submit. The next page asks for optional additional information about educational goals, reasons for taking the course, and how you learned about this class. After clicking Submit, you will be taken to the payment screen where you can see the course you selected and add the method you'd like to pay with. If you want to add another class, you can click the button in the top right and make your additional selection. If you're ready to check out, you can click Proceed to Payment. And then check that your selection is correct one more time, then click Pay Now. Now you'll be redirected to a secure payment window where you can input your card information and finish paying for your course or courses. After you finish submitting payment, you will receive a confirmation of your enrollment and receipt through the email provided. For any following questions, you can reach out to the ACX Teens team through email at teens@artcenter.edu. Finally, you can mark your calendar with the course start date and meeting time and enjoy your class with ArtCenter Extension Teens.